Good afternoon. I am Harshit from IT Voice, and today I have the latest tech updates from all around the world. The US Federal Trade Commission (FTC) has lodged a formal complaint against Amazon, alleging that the popular e-commerce company deliberately misled millions of customers by enrolling them into Prime membership without their knowledge or consent, and then making it challenging for them to cancel their subscriptions. In many messaging platforms, when users share a link to a social media post, a link preview is automatically generated, providing a summary of the content with a title, description, and thumbnail. However, there have been reports that Twitter link previews are not functioning properly on certain messaging platforms. Next up, we have AMD EPYC processors enable HPE to transform data lifecycle management with high-performance scale-out block and file storage delivered through HPE GreenLake. AMD today announced that its AMD EPYC embedded series processors are powering Hewlett-Packard Enterprise's new modular multi-protocol storage solution HPE Alletra Storage MP. AMD EPYC embedded processors provide the performance and energy efficiency required for enterprise-class storage systems with high availability, resilience, and industry-leading connectivity and longevity. Google has reportedly lodged a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) expressing dissatisfaction with Microsoft and Oracle, its two major competitors in the cloud computing industry. In the complaint, Google accuses Microsoft of employing unfair licensing terms to gain an advantage in the market and restrict customers from using other enterprise software options. Additionally, Google criticizes Oracle for its complex agreements that aim to lock in customers and limit choice, ultimately increasing cost and disrupting digital ecosystems. Kaspersky, a global cybersecurity company, and India Institute of Technology Bombay (IITB), a leader in the field of engineering education and research, announced the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to jointly promote and foster the development of educational and research projects in the field of cybersecurity. Under the agreement, Kaspersky and IIT Bombay will work together to promote cybersecurity education and research with the goal of building a more robust cybersecurity workforce in India. Next up, we have Vimeo has unveiled a set of AI-powered tools designed to simplify the video editing process for creators who may lack the necessary skills, time, or resources. The platform introduces three new tools: a text-based video editor, a script generator, and an on-screen teleprompter. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT AI chatbot, allegedly lobbied to weaken the stricter regulations outlined in the draft of the AI Act passed by European Union lawmakers. Documents obtained from the European Commission suggest that OpenAI advocated for less stringent elements in the legislation, aiming to reduce regulatory burdens on the company. The report claims that some of OpenAI proposed amendments made it into the final draft law, which will undergo further negotiations before finalizing in January. OLX Group, the classifieds business arm of Prosus, has reportedly laid off approximately 800 employees worldwide. The move comes as the online marketplace has started closing down its automotive business unit, OLX Autos, in certain markets. The company has confirmed the job cuts and has begun informing the affected employees. OLX has ceased operation in Argentina, Mexico, and Colombia, while its operations in India are expected to remain largely unaffected. There is a glimmer of hope for tech professionals in India. Amidst the global economic downturn, a significant portion, around 30 to 40% of the 3 lakh technology jobs that were lost globally due to layoff could potentially shift to outsourcing hubs like India in the coming months. The report suggests that many of these jobs are likely to be distributed among the existing workforce of large technology companies in India. eMITS, a global leader in technology-led transformation and digital engineering solutions for the healthcare and life sciences industry, has been recognized as a major contender this year in Everest Group Peak 2023 under Healthcare Data and Analytics Services. Next up, we have Apparently, from what was surfaced from our sources, Coral Software India has unfairly and illegally stopped selling educational licenses to eligible educational schools, colleges, and universities in India. Since the last 6 months, the educational prices seem to have been withdrawn only for educational customers in India and are still available for sale to eligible to educational schools, colleges, universities across the world. L&T Technology Services Limited, India's leading pure-play engineering services company, today announced an extension of its relationship with PTC to engineer future-ready solutions for the aerospace, defense, and transportation sectors. The parties will leverage PTC's Windchill product lifecycle management and product data management applications to cater to players in aerospace and defense segments and support them with a digital thread from the design to the manufacturing stages. The healthcare industry is becoming increasingly dependent on digital systems and interconnected devices to store and manage patient information as technology advances. However, this digital transformation has also resulted in a significant increase in cyber threats and data breaches. According to research conducted by the Cyber Peace Foundation, a local cybersecurity think tank, approximately 1.9 million cyber attacks targeted the healthcare industry in India between January and November of the current year. To tackle these challenges, cybersecurity companies have become crucial in protecting sensitive healthcare data. Netflix is overhauling the way it calculates its top 10 shows and movies. Instead of ranking popular titles by total viewing time, the company said that now it will rank them based on views. It defines these views as the number of hours viewed divided by the total runtime. Earlier this month, Apple unveiled Vision Pro, its first spatial computing device powered by Vision OS. Vision Pro lets users interact with digital content in their physical space using their eyes, hands, and voice. Now, Apple has announced that starting today, its global community of developers will be able to create spatial computing apps for Vision Pro. Alphabets. Google has been asked to pay patent holding company Personal Audio $15.1 million for infringing two patents related to audio software. The ruling was made by a Delaware federal jury in a verdict made public on Wednesday. The jury also said that Google infringed the patents willfully, which could lead to a judge increasing the award by up to 3 times the verdict amount. Personal Audio had argued that Google Music app Google Play Music featured playlist, downloading, navigation, and editing features that violated its patent rights. Zoom extends free signed period for Zoom Scheduler to July 20. Zoom announced general availability for its new Zoom Scheduler tool and the extension of the free sign-up period. Zoom Scheduler makes finding the perfect meeting time easier by sharing availability for others to conveniently book appointments. Zoom Scheduler allows hosts to generate windows of availability that others can use to book appointments. Spirent Communications, a leading global provider of test and assurance solutions for next-generation devices and networks demonstration its latest global navigation satellite system. Simulations, solutions and positioning, navigation and timings, testing tools at the Spirent GNSS Connect 2023 Bangalore. Next up, we have Netgear, the leading provider of award-winning connected products designed to simplify and improve people's life. Successfully organized Netgear Connect event in Lucknow. The partner event brought together an exceptional gathering of industry leaders, visionaries, and professionals representing a diverse range of expertise and backgrounds under one roof. In a thrilling match between the Telugu Talons and Garvit Gujarat at the highly anticipated Premier Handball League, the moment of the match award was presented to Devinder Singh Bhullar of the Telugu Talons for his exceptional performance on the handball court by Mr. Tarun Tak, Chief Editor of IT Voice. The Premier Handball League, an international handball game event, has been capturing the hearts of fans since its kickoff on 8 June. With intense group stage matches currently underway, spectators are eagerly anticipating the final scheduled for 25 June. The league features a total of 6 state teams, each vying for the championship title, supported by numerous sponsors. Thanks for tuning in. For industry insights, gadget reviews, and latest tech news, follow IT Voice.
कभी सोचा है देश के लॉज कैसे बनते हैं? थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चनेबल। अभी यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड आ गया, इसका एक फॉर्म आ गया, इनके बारे में बात करने वाले। लॉ कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है एक सैचुरेटेड बॉडी की फॉर्म में, जो हमारी लीगल फॉर्म्स के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, लीगल लॉज के लिए। इसके अंदर बहुत सारे लीगल एक्सपर्ट्स एंड स्कॉलर्स रहते हैं। कौन सा लॉ हमारे लिए भी बेटर है, क्या चेंज होना चाहिए। द लॉ ऑफ कमीशन एक बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है हमारे देश की लीगल लैंडस्केप को एक तरीके से शेप करने में। यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड जो है बेसिकली वो इक्वालिटी, सोशलिटी, रिलीजन, बायसनेस, इन सबको एक सेंट्रल स्टेट पे अलाइन करता है कि सारे लोगों के ओपिनियंस क्या है किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर, उन पे बताता है। अब देखिए, आप लॉ कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया की वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे, वहाँ पे आप जाके देखेंगे एक न्यूज़ में यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड का एक फॉर्म आया हुआ। आप इसके बारे में और डेप्थ पढ़ सकते हैं। उसके अंदर आपको क्लिक करना है। फॉर्म भरने के लिए आप न्यूज़ सेक्शन में जाएंगे वापस, वहाँ पे आप क्लिक हियर पे क्लिक करेंगे। वहाँ पे जाके आप ये फॉर्म भर सकते हैं। अगर आप फेवर में हो तो लिख दीजिएगा आई एम ऑन फेवर, अगर आप फेवर में नहीं है तो आई एम नॉट इन फेवर लिख दीजिएगा। ये था बेसिकली आपको जागरूक सोशल जस्टिस को प्रमोट करने के लिए। अगर पसंद आया हो कंटेंट तो लाइक, शेयर, फॉलो, कमेंट आपके ऊपर है। अच्छी टेक न्यूज़ पढ़ने के लिए IT वॉइस पे जरूर विजिट करें। मिलते हैं कल नई वीडियो।